We are at Dell Technologies booth now. I have William with me. William, tell me more about Dell Technologies.
Absolutely. So Dell Technologies, I think a lot of people recognize Dell as a leader in a number of spaces, including laptops and servers and storage, but what they may not recognize Dell as a leading innovator in places like the edge and 5G. And a show like ITAP is a great opportunity for us to teach our customers, our partners, our ecosystems about all the innovation we're doing from a manufacturing perspective for our customers.
From what you have described about the solution and the showcase, how is it helping the industry?
So great question. So a lot of people, like I said, recognize Dell as a leader in providing innovation in that edge technology space, but not many have looked at putting those technologies together to really provide a cohesive layer for collecting data, analyzing that, and then moving that through a multi-cloud environment. And that's really kind of the power of Dell, is the ability to have an open approach to manufacturers and help them as they transition into a digital edge and help them understand how I can apply technologies like a digital twin to help automate business outcomes.
We are now at Hewlett Packard Enterprise booth. Together with me, I have Tariq. Tariq, do you mind telling me more about the company?
Sure. So Hewlett Packard Enterprise is an 85-year-old company born out of Palo Alto, Silicon Valley, and we are advancing the way people live and work by enriching experiences from edge to cloud.
May I know what is the product that you are showcasing today?
Okay, so 3 or 4 years ago, HP came out with the concept of GreenLake, and we promised to the market that we will turn everything into a service. And we are delivering on that promise. And the way we're doing that is by bringing in our ecosystem partners, such as Infosys, Equinix, VMware, Software AG, and of course our own Aruba networking to deliver the factory automation Industry 4.0 as a service bundle.
How are these solutions helping the industry?
Okay, so going from the simulation side to the plant optimization to the data management, there are different solutions that have to come in and play together. A lot of it is OT enabled through IT. And the IT side plays a major role because then those API and SaaS-based models can be activated. So I find that as we go and talk more and more to customers, we're getting really good traction in digitizing their workflows, in advancing the way that they get their developers activated. And of course, we work with our partners where we may not have the capability or the customer may not have capability. We help to link them in with system integrators and software vendors that can do it. Yeah.
That sounds like a really great help to the industry. Hi all, we are at Starhub's booth now, and I have Brian with me. Brian, tell me more about Starhub and the product that you're showcasing today.
Sure. Starhub is a Singapore-based company. We specialize in telecommunication and solutions around sustainability. We are here to tell the industry what Starhub can do to support the whole adoption of digitalization, automation, and how to build sustainable and green solutions.
Yeah, so how will these solutions that you are providing, can help the industry?
Sure. We have a few solutions showcased today. We have a future of work around how we support the employees to collaborate around their workplace. We do have solutions around automation. How do you digitize workflow? How do you ensure that your solutions are smart? How do you reduce human effort in view of the industry's lack of manpower? We also have an environmental dashboard to give deep insights, to have analytics to allow our customers to have an overview of their operations, to help them to make smart decisions, to help them make informed decisions. We also have digitalization solutions around point-to-talk solutions to support collaborations around the field workers in the industry for manufacturing plants.
Hi, we are now at Becca Digital Twin Experience Center. Hema, do you mind to tell me more about the Experience Center?
Oh yeah, the Experience Center over here is powered by Becca, and we are kind of instilling the concept of digital twin into manufacturing environment. And it's a pretty greening topic now with the advancement in technology in data and processing power and capacity.
So what can we see at the Experience Zone? Can you share with us more?
Oh yeah, so our Experience Zone Center actually has 4 use cases which are typically manufacturing related issues and how we can address those problems using the digital twin concept.
How is it going to help the industry
Uh,
with this solution?
So with emerging technologies, right, the industries, they collect a lot of data, but which is unrefined and it's not being used potentially. And we enable a platform or a platform agnostic tool that you can, use to, connect to your data, synchronize your various data sources and everything. And you get finally a digital twin that's an exact replica of your factory, and you can visualize and make decisions better, optimize your manufacturing processes, and obviously whatnot, energy and
Yeah.
sustainable manufacturing.
It sounds like you're polishing the gem that people have found and not polished, and now they can see the gem. So like the data, right, you say, it's always underused. That with all these technologies, definitely a good help. Do come and visit the Becca Digital Twin Experience Zone at ITAP 2022. Okay, we are now at LS Electric's booth. I have Chang with me. Chang, tell us more about the company and the products.
So yeah, welcome to LS Electric. We are a leading company in South Korea. We produce industrial power, electric devices, and also as well as automation industries as well. So previously we have focused more on produce like device layer, PLC, and inverter, and all kinds of device layer devices products. But we are trying to develop until the IT layers because the in charge of the first industrial revolution, a stream of the first industrial revolution. So we are starting to expand our businesses to edge layer and also digital twin platform, and also all related the new technologies.
Oh, it's about technology. So how can this technology help the industry?
So help the industry, we are trying to find the more actual use cases that can apply in the manufacturing area, especially. So AI or other first industrial revolution technologies, including cloud, IoT, and all the kind of stuff. We try to combine the all together and also apply in the real production line as well.
We have come to the end of the 4 segments of virtual walkthrough. We would like to thank you for being with us this far.
Hope you've enjoyed and found this walkthrough insightful, and we're looking forward to welcoming you in person next year. Stay safe and have a wonderful rest of 2022.
Goodbye.
Bye!